Hey guys, here we have the Braun all-in-one style kit series 5 complete style head to toe 100% effortless. So we have 9 in 1 and the battery is lithium-ion battery. We have here the description: ultra sharp blade, 100 minutes cordless runtime, shower-proof, fully washable. Okay, let's turn it on the other side. And we have the description, each one what is usable. Of course, very nice. Okay, it's just a review, so if you like it you can purchase it too. I'll put a link in the description from Amazon in the future so you can purchase it with a discount. And we start the unboxing here. ASMR satisfaction video. Oh, it's really cool. Let's start. Here we open the box. Let's see what is inside of it. All right. Here's the kit. From what I see, here is going down, and we start to see every piece of the package. And here we have the machine, so the cutting hair trimmer for the hair and beard, and not only the nose and everything like it was on the description. And inside we have a user manual. Always get used, you can use it, but I think I can imagine you can know it from yourself. It's in English, I think, in all the languages. So let's see. You can scan me, so you can see everything from the Braun. It's a Braun company. How to use it, how to open. It's in different languages, you can imagine. Okay, here we go. Okay, many languages, description, tam. Okay, how to use it. Anyways, here's the user manual, and let's go further to see the machine. We have for the nose, we're gonna open it later, and I'm gonna show you how it works. Another piece of the trimmer with another head, so it's changeable. Of course, here we have the machine. Oh, it's working. Jesus. Okay, I'll stop it somehow. Here we have another one. It's a bigger head for other utilities. It's 13 to 21. Nice. Okay, I think here we have the charger. Nice packed. Looks awesome, actually. Looks really awesome. Okay, nice done. And I think we have a head here. It's a shell like protection. Interesting. We're gonna see later. Yeah, this is protecting. When you don't use it, you can put it on it so it doesn't get broken. Detail. Nice. Beautiful. We put it aside. And then the charger, like I said, nicely done. Packed everything. Gonna do everything unpacked. Then here we have, I think this is the suitcase where you put the suitcase, actually the bag where you put the trimmer after you use it. I think it helps somehow, you can hang it. Nice done. And then we have another pieces for a brush. You can clean it. Nobody uses it. I never use it, actually. I just wash it under the water, the machine, but you can use it. It's very usable. And then we go for, oh, this is my favorite. With this I cut my hair, and this I'm gonna use it often, actually, and it's gonna be on the machine all the time. This is size 1. Size 1. This I'm gonna use it always. It's gonna be on the machine. And then we have size 2. I don't think I'm gonna use it often, just size 1 to shorten my hair and my beard. And this is a special one from what I saw. Body. This is for body. Nice. You can see it's written body. This is for the body. Nice, 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 nice. Okay. So this was the unboxing for the machine. Nothing inside. Hidden, hopefully. Nothing anymore. No, not really nothing. Okay. And then this was the unboxing for the Braun only one style kit series 5 complete style. We're gonna try the machine now. Let's see how it's gonna work. I'm gonna take it out, so a little bit SMR. Looks great, feels good in my hand, feels quality. It's really quality. Wow, looks awesome. Hope it's gonna be awesome as well. Okay, looks great. Like I showed you before, you start, stop, and it's writing on it wet and dry Braun. Nice, 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 nice job, nice, nice, nice job, nice job. Goes good. Goes very nice. I'm gonna use it to see how it's gonna work. I'm gonna use it tonight. Okay, this was the trimmer unboxing. Hope you like it. I hope you like it. It was the unboxing for the trimmer. Hope you enjoyed it, and hopefully see you next time for another unboxing. Have a nice day, and please like, share and subscribe if you enjoyed it and if someone wants to see how it's working. And don't forget, let's try one head. It's going very easy down. Here you click it, you push it, and it's going down. This is the trimmer without nothing on it. Like you saw it, you see how it's working. This is 0. Hope you enjoyed it. It looks like this. Looks awesome. Feels good in my hand. You can catch it, grab it good. Have nice. See here, we can grab it. Awesome description. Let's try one head, the small one. I said we tried the small one. Easy to install. Easy to use it. Oh my god, very nice. Easy to give it down. Easy to put it back. Actually very, very easy to put it back. What I saw it. Easy to put it back, you see, with one hand. So this was the presentation. Share, like and subscribe, and thank you for watching my video. See you next time.